All right, today's topic, Noco Genius 5 repair mode. How long did the repair refurbish last? This is a long-term update. So this battery is from June 2020. I did the repair mode December 2024. Now it's May 2026. So let's get into it. This car sat for about 2 weeks. And about 2 weeks ago, I was gonna take it to work and the dashboard was lit up like a Christmas tree. All the check engine lights were on. This car's a 2015. It's actually pretty old, but still modern enough to have all kinds of electronics. So when these somewhat modern cars and modern cars have weak batteries, you get all kinds of check engine lights. So all these were on, the steering, the ABS, everything was on. And it was about 45 degrees, which is cold for California standards. The battery is about 4 years old, which is about normal for a battery to go bad these days. So I'm gonna start it up now. And it was running rough when I tried to start it 2 weeks ago. It's 80 degrees right now, so it's not running rough, but the check engine light is on and it's voltage related, so that's telling me I need a new battery. Age of the battery right there, 620. It's 1224 now, so a little more than 4 years old for this battery. Negative terminal unhooked, so I'm gonna hook this up to the Noco Genius 5. Battery's charging up. We're gonna wait until this is solid green to activate repair mode. Solid green, so we're gonna hold down the mode button and then tap it one more time. Now this is gonna blink. When it's back to this light right here, repair mode's finished. It's gonna take several hours. Repair mode's finished, so it'll blink while it's repairing, and when it's done, it'll go to the power icon. So I'll go ahead and reconnect the battery, set the date, time, wash my car, and drive this to work for the whole week. See if the check engine light comes back. December 7, just topped off on fuel, reset my trip meters. So we're gonna find out if this restore mode worked. So check engine light's on right now because the car's not on, but once I turn it on, the light will come off. And if the check engine light is fixed, it shouldn't come back on within 50 miles. It feels like 40 degrees right now. So let's see if my car glitches out. 38. Besides the service tire pressure warning, everything looks good. No check engine light. Looks like the ice warning's on. Up there it is. Yeah, because of the temperature. It's even blinking 38 to let me know it's cold. Yeah, this is cold for California standards, but that's it. Everything looks good. So far, so good. It looks like this battery restore worked, and I have 113 miles on my car so far on this current tank of fuel and on this battery restore. Okay, today's date, May 7, 2026. 192.3 miles traveled. Run time, 7 hours and 47 minutes. I'll shut the car off right now, 7:48. So let's keep note on the stats. So this car is gonna sit for about a week, maybe even longer. So perfect test to show you guys an update video on this Noco Genius 5 repair mode. So when I start this car up again, that's 1 year and 6 months on the refurbish repair mode. So, all right. Check back in about a week, maybe even longer. Today's date, May 25, 2026. So this car has been sitting for more than 2 weeks. Perfect test to see if this battery's any good, if it holds charge. Let's see if it starts up. Started right up. There you go, same stats. This is the only thing I need to fix. It'll go away. I need new tire pressure monitor sensors. I'll do that when I get new tires. This car's due. There it is. Same stats, 192.3 miles traveled, 7 hours and 48 minutes on this current tank of fuel. I'm gonna run some errands today. Good morning. All right, let's go ahead and wrap up this test. So my last stop yesterday was to the gas station. Car starts right up. I'll fix that this year, for real. I think I've had a bad tire pressure monitor sensor for the last 2 years. Let's dim this. Hit the wrong button. Okay, there it is. Alright, that's as dark as it gets. Okay, May 26th, the next day, 5:04, 8.2 miles traveled. That was from the gas station, and 24 minutes on this current tank of fuel. Headed to work now. Just arrived to work, 5:23 a.m., 18.2 miles traveled, 43 minutes on this current tank of fuel. Shutting it off now. Hopefully it doesn't turn 44. May 26th. All right. So when I get off of work, I'll go directly to the car, turn it on right away, hopefully, and if it starts up right away, we will wrap up this long-term test, because like I said, if it's a bad battery, if it's sitting, it's not going to start. So I didn't start this car for 18 days, so I'm just wrapping this one up. Okay, just getting off work. So you'll see me just straight up, start it up right after work. I have covers on my seat because I drive heavy machinery for a living. All right, here we go. I want to be as thorough as possible on this review. You guys seem to enjoy it. There you go. Starts right up. I'll fix it this year, for real. 2:02, May 26, 18.2 miles traveled, 44 minutes on this current tank. Now I can brighten it. All right, I think this video is ready to edit. This proves a good point. Noco Genius 5 repair, refurbish mode. 1 year and 6 months, still good. 2018 Subaru Crosstrek on its original battery. Drove this a couple of days ago. I noticed in the last 2 weeks, when I start the car, it cranks really slow. So it makes sense. It's the original battery, 5 years old. So, and looks like it's gonna need a new battery. All right, let's turn this off.